Wow.
Hello.
Okay, we step back.
Are we set? Thumbs up. There are other judgments.
Can this cameraman move the camera like this?
All right, we set. Good morning, learned Chief. The Federal Court has just delivered judgment in a case brought by your client, Chief Ararume, against the President. Can we have your reaction to that judgment and what is the implication of the judgment?
Well, thank you very much. We are very happy with this judgment. And you see, this judgment, like we said in court, is a landmark one, because this is a judgment that has the capacity to restore the hope of the common man in the judiciary. This is a judgment that is a victory for the rule of law, a salute to due process. What we came here to agitate is that things must be done in this country in accordance with the law, and that no person is above the law. This is a case in which we sued the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the judiciary was bold enough, courageous, to give justice to the ordinary man. This is a very great one. And we are very happy because the court was very thorough, very meticulous in its analysis of the facts of this case, and has shown that the laws are not made in vain. You cannot, as a regulatory body or as a statutory body, you come out with regulations, tomorrow you refuse to comply with them, and you say they're permissive, they are not binding. Things must be done in accordance with due process and in accordance with the law. We are happy that the court has given judgment nullifying the removal, unlawful removal of Senator Ararume as the non-executive chairman of NNPC Limited. And you see, this is a very far-reaching judgment. All the decisions taken by the illegal board, they have all been nullified from date till of that letter till now. And his position has been restored by law. And he has been awarded the sum of 5 billion naira as damages for this very unlawful act. We know and hope that this will send the appropriate message to the authorities. We must in this country begin to learn how to do things in accordance with the law. That's the only way we can change things in this country.